Hi friends, in this video we will see how to solve mathematics May-June 2024 past paper, right? So in this exam we have our first question is express y 3y squared minus 12y minus 15 in this form, right? So how you will transform this expression in this form where we have a and b are our constant. So I have already solved this part a. So here let me just show you. So how you will transform this expression into this form where you just need to write 3y squared minus 12y and minus 15. So in this expression, if you think about here, we have 3 is common in these all terms. So if you will take common here, then you can write y square minus 4y minus 5, right? So to convert this y square minus 4y minus 5 into this form, so what you will do, you just divide the coefficient of y by 2, and add square of that number. So you will get plus 2y squared, and you should also subtract minus 2 square, because if you will if you are adding some term if you are adding some term in your expression, you also subtract this term as well, because then your equation will be balanced. So if I will subtract this two, or if I will just cancel these two terms, then my expression will remain same as above you are seeing. So according to this, we can say y squared minus 4y plus 2y squared, we can rewrite according to the formula a plus b whole square. So here we have a squared minus 2ab, and here is a b square. So I can rewrite this like y minus 2 whole square, and then we have 2 to the square is 4, and here we have minus 5, right? And after that, you can see you can see here 3y minus 2 to the whole square is definitely it is multiplying with all 3 is multiplying with all these terms. So I can rewrite this 3 bracket y minus 2 to the whole square minus 3 into 9, because here we have minus 9. When you will multiply this, it will become minus 27, and 3 minus y squared will remain same. Now here you can see 3y plus of minus 2 to the whole square minus 27 is your transform that is required. So here you can see our value of a is minus 2, and our b value is minus 27. Let me just write it down. You can say value of a is minus 2, and value of b become minus 27, right? So this is our first part. In the next part, you can see here we have part number 2. So we have the same equation or expression as above, but now you can see we have x to the power 4, and here we have x squared. To solve this question, let me just show you. Here we have uh, some supposition. So if you know 3x to the power 4 minus 12 x square minus 15 is equivalent to 0, then I can say, let me just assume this. Let me just assume this y squared is equals to x squared. So I have just written this expression uh, in from above, and here we have 4 square, right? So this is my actually power 4, this is x to the power 4, and here we have x squared, right? So I can just replace x squared with with uh, with x y squared, because here we have power 4, and I can just replace x squared with y, and here we have 15 will remain same. So what I have done here is I have also divided this expression by 3 as well, right? So if you will divide this by 3, then you will get the same result as you are seeing in the below expression, right? So if you will just divide all this from by 3, then you will get y squared minus 4y minus 4y minus 5 is equivalent to 0. Now you can just factorize this. How you will factorize this? You just need to think about the two numbers. When you will multiply it, you will get minus 5, and when you will add or subtract that numbers, you will get minus 4y, right? So I have chosen these numbers so that they will give me the perfect results. Like if you will multiply the coefficient here, minus 5 multiplied with, here we have one coefficient, you will get minus 5. Minus 5 multiplied with 1, here we have minus 5, and then you will add these two terms, you will get minus 4. Now here you have y common, so I have just taken y common here, and then y minus 5, and here we have the positive sign, and there is nothing common, so I can just rewrite y minus 5 y minus 5, right? So after this, what I have done is just take, here we have two terms, you can take y minus 5 as common, and then you will get y minus y plus 1 will be remaining term, and here we have the 0. Now you can see either or, and you can just rewrite y is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 1. So according to this, we have considered y is equals to x squared, right? So I am just replacing y with x squared. So if I will replace y with x squared, so I can say x squared is equals to 5, and then x is equals to plus minus under root 5, right? And here we have minus sign, and according to this, because this is not the exact solution, because here we have in our square root we have a minus sign, which means that the roots are not exact, they are imaginary roots, right? So that's why we can just say x is equals to plus minus 5 is our solution. So thank you so much for watching. In the next video we will see how to solve other questions from this exam. So in part 2 we will see the next questions. Thank you so much for watching.